We're in New Britain and we're taking an adventure to go return some movies. This is what I have to go through. Christian Salazar. I have no problem. I love the snow. It's not even cold. This is why I'm doing this little cam thing. What you see black on the screen is my glove because I am covering it from the snow so my phone won't get damaged more than it already is. But besides that, I'm on my way now back home to take a hot bath. Well, a shower. Maybe. All I know for a fact is that it's not even all that cold. It's supposed to be so fucking cold out. It's really not. Okay, as you can see, down there you barely see anything. Over here, even worse. The only thing that bothers is the walking. Snow is so deep that it bothers my feet. So I gotta be more forced just to like walk. As I now approach Firestone, meaning I'm almost home. It's pretty cool out right now. Now, dressed, have camos, pins, a scarf around my neck, and a hoodie. See me? Maybe, probably not, I don't know. But, I am looking at myself. How deep is snow here? It's pretty deep. I love the snow. People say, no, don't go out, no, it's too cold, no. Yeah. That's all I gotta say, yeah. My only concern and worry is that a branch might fall and hit me in the head. Besides that, I'm fine. Let's do a little running. Yeah. Hard to run deep ass snow. See two trucks pulling out with plows. Oh, big boys, they got trucks. Okay, that was so cool. I don't care. I don't think I'll be able to catch it. Somebody called 911. It was me. I wish I had a little pocket on my chest, so like I could just put the phone there. That'll be fine. I'll have to hold it, but I don't. So. Gotta hold the phone. Oh, I got gloves on. Doesn't bother me. Just don't really want to holding it up like this. Sirens are getting closer. Let's see if we can see the flashes. Nope, cannot. Now the wind has switched sides of blowing. Now it's blowing from the left. Do not know where north is, but same left. That's me. Cop right there. That's a cop car. And that's the courthouse of New Britain. pretty sure you're going to be able to hear that in the video. How loud the wind is blowing. Now again, the wind is blowing behind me. Now time to cross the street. Please. Nice. More safe. Yep, we're safe. I'm now almost on the street. Now the wind is going from my right. This ground is slippery as hell. Oh, I'll bust my ass. I wonder if I can skate. Let's see. Nope, no, it's not ready for that. I'll blow my ass. Oh God, that would have been bad. I need to see that in the video. I almost busted my ass I was on one foot. What happens when we don't pay attention? I think people are looking out their windows like, look at that idiot. What is going on? I have now reached the beginning of my street. Only about an estimated 4 minutes until I get to my house. Starting now. Taking down itself there. If I fall, I'm just going to stay on the floor and I'm just going to crawl my way home. No time to get up. Let's run a little jog. not end this video because I am home. Yes, I will end it now. Beautiful house. Home over here. Tired, pretty tired.